compliments so far, but yeah, I'm not really into it. So yeah, so I got this one right now. See if it fits. Hopefully it fits. These supposedly are in the same position, so I gotta paint it too. Maybe I'll keep it like this. I'm not sure. We'll decide later, but yeah, it's definitely getting replaced. Alright, you can't hear me right now probably because of the engine, but that's how it's supposed to look. What's goody fruity? Hey yo. Alright, so what we have today is a F-Sport grill for my IS250. I'm gonna put it on, test fit it, and we'll see if it fits. Hopefully it fits. Alright, so the bumper is off. Finally. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, so what we're gonna do now, try to take off the old grill and replace it with the new one. See. This is my boys. He forgot to take it back. Rahad, if you're watching this, you get... Alright, we're having some technical difficulties. I gotta call my dad. Hey yo, so we're back. Finally we took out the grill. Here's the old one. That's the new one. We had to take it off with the plastic trim because it was a hassle, man. It's crazy. If you guys doing it, good luck to y'all. It was so annoying. Yeah, I might as well just buy a new bumper, you know, and put on the new grill. That's the plan for the future. But for now, this is what we have to do. I'm gonna run to Home Depot really quick because I need a new can so I can paint it the same color as my lower grill and no mismatches, you know. And I have the new Lexus logo. The holes don't fit. We're gonna have to cut one hole in, glue it to the centerpiece, you know. I prepped the logo, where the logo is gonna go in tape. Got everything set up. Let's go. Mic check, mic check. There's like 9 o'clock right now in the PM. Alright, so we have finished, I think, like 3 coats in the front. Everything is dried up. Now we just have to put it back with the trim and get it back on the bumper. Let's get it. Alright, just a quick wipe. Get all this dirt out from the inside. My car is, what, 114 going on 15. It was raining last night too. We had to put covers in the front of the hood.
1 eternity later.
Alright, boys and girls, so we're back. It's been a couple days. I'm waiting for my boy to come so we can go to the gym. In the meantime, look what's in there. It's the logo. I haven't put the logo on yet. It's still here. I mean, it's still not here. So the tape is still there. We're going to take off the tape right now and then put it on. Let's get it. Oh yeah, so today, finally, that part I had to chip or whatever, you know. Just now while I'm waiting for my boy to go to the gym. But hopefully it stays on because it's going to have to rely on the stickers and just that one piece right there. Alright, you can't hear me right now probably because of the engine, but that's how it's supposed to look. Alright, see, it's only one side. The clip or whatever that shit is. And it's going to have to rely on the stickers. Let's take them off and see. Alright, so we finished with the emblem and the grill. I just placed them on. We're going to let it sit, you know, in the sun. It's going to bake. And the next videos are going to be me buying spacers and lowering springs. Alright, so stay tuned.